Family Guidance Order or FGO. What you need to know if you're applying for an FGO. Formerly known as the Beyond Parental Control Order, an FGO is a court order for parents and guardians who need help guiding their children or young persons below the age of 16. What you should know before applying for an FGO. Parents and guardians should only apply for an FGO as a last resort. Before making an application, parents and guardians are encouraged to try the following measures. A. Speak to teachers, the principal, or other school authorities to find out how your child is doing and what support is necessary. B. Seek professional counseling for yourself and/or your child in school, family service centers, or other social service agencies. C. Seek psychological or psychiatric consultations for yourself and/or your child if necessary. When will the Youth Court issue an FGO? The Youth Court will only issue an FGO if the following requirements are met. A. You are unable to guide your child and your child needs to be guided by someone else. B. You and your child have completed a family program, unless the court waives this requirement. C. You understand the consequences of the order and agree to it being made. It is important to know that after an FGO application has been made in the Youth Court, the application may only be withdrawn with the consent of the court. Step 1. You should go for a screening at one of these two appointed agencies to see if you require an FGO for help with guiding your child. For verification, please bring along your identity cards, birth certificate and identity card of your child, court orders on custody, care and control, guardianship or adoption, police reports, if any. Step 2. At the agency, a screening worker will interview you and your child if present. The screening worker will advise you on steps to take and may refer you and your child to a suitable family program. Based on the outcome of the program, you can then decide if you would like to proceed with the FGO application and go to court. If your child is not responsive or refuses to attend the family program, the screening worker will liaise with the Youth Court to get an appointment date for you to make the FGO application in court. What happens in court? Once the FGO application goes to court, the Youth Court judge may order you and/or your child to attend or complete a family program. The judge may also call for a social report on your child to be prepared before deciding on a suitable FGO. While the report is being prepared, your child may be ordered to stay with a fit person or in a place of safety. If your child is not present in court, a warrant of arrest may be issued against your child. The Youth Court judge will consider the contents of the social report and discuss the case with two panel advisors. If the Youth Court judge is satisfied that the requirements are met, your child may be committed to a place of safety for up to 3 years, committed to the care of a fit person for up to 3 years, placed on statutory supervision under an approved welfare officer for up to 3 years, ordered to attend counseling, psychotherapy, or any other assessment, program, or treatment. You may also be ordered to attend the above activities with your child. What happens if your child does not follow the FGO? If your child does not follow the orders stated in the FGO, the welfare officer in charge of your child's case may take out breach proceedings against your child in the Youth Court. Your child may then be remanded in the Singapore Boys' Home or the Singapore Girls' Home while a further report is prepared on them. The Youth Court judge will consider the report before deciding on the further orders necessary for the child. How can you help your child? Going through the steps necessary for an FGO can be a stressful experience for you and your child. Your relationship may be affected, and it is important that you take steps to guide your child through this period. Ensure your child follows the orders stated in the FGO. Their progress depends on this. Cooperate with your child's caseworker. Help them to help your child. Attend counseling. Tackle difficult issues together as a family. Attend parenting workshops. Improve the way you interact with your child. Be sensitive to your child's needs. Listen to your child's concerns openly. For more information on the FGO application process, visit the FJC website.